Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out an extremely nice 1968 Ford Fairlane. Now this car started as like a 39,000, believed to be original mile car when this guy bought it. And then he got a little hog wild and just overly restored it. I have about $50,000 in receipts.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
50,000?
50,000 he put into the car. He did all NOS parts, put a really nice 428 underneath the hood. And when you look underneath the hood, it just kind of tells you the story of the whole car, really.
That thing's radical, isn't it?
It is. But even when you look at like all the steel lines for all the fuel and just everything underneath the hood was done correct, right? Hoses, and then even, he didn't do the auto light cover, he did an actual auto light battery like it would have from the factory. Oh my gosh. Motor was rebuilt, tranny was rebuilt, really nice underneath.
Yeah, undercarriage is all nice, painted black as well. Just a gorgeous restoration. All the receipts will come with it.
Yep.
Mechanically, it's just fantastic. I'm excited to drive it. All the chrome and bright work, as Dalton mentioned, is gorgeous. The grille, everything is perfect as far as that goes. We just noticed it has just a little bit of, somebody got a little over corrective on the paint as far as just a buff, and just, we've got 3 little spots right here on the paint. Very, very small, like kind of a little burn through. Other than that, the gaps are gorgeous. The paint and body is just laser straight. Probably one of the nicer ones around.
And if I recall correctly, I don't think the guy, when he didn't do any paintwork, it was a one repaint car. Trunk's all original. He does have some pictures of the car interior, just how it came in originally.
Do you know when it was painted or anything like that? Did this guy have any of that done?
I'd have to look again through all that stuff. He did so much.
Because the paint and body is beautiful, except for those couple little spots I pointed out there.
It's very nice.
Chrome. I mean, if you're a freak about chrome and trunk, you know what I mean? Fit, finish, tail light lenses, all that kind of stuff. This is all hard stuff to find for some of these Fairlanes.
And he'd wait months for just some fender emblems. Now the trunk is all original. That's the original jack spare.
Wow.
All kinds of stuff.
And even in here, it's original matte, original, you know, look at that.
Original paint.
Original paint in the trunk.
That's not rust, that's just
Yeah.
where the seam seal,
Yep.
you know, yellows over time.
Yeah. Wow, that's really nice. Original paint in the jam. Inside paint, door panels are mint. Corner of the door is rust-free. They're super nice, all new. So we reupholstered everything, Dave.
Yep.
Headliner's perfect, dome light works, back shelf, seat belt for 6, front and rear is excellent. Dash pad, I mean, like you said, all that dash applique and pad and everything is just perfect. Did add a couple aftermarket gauges, can be taken out to the purist if you want down below. Paint on the dash is all perfect as well. Just a little. Tiny touch-up right there. Bottom of the door is excellent. Yeah, I'm guessing the paint, just by looking, it might be 10, 15, 20 years old.
I think
it
it was.
could be,
I don't
but
think
it's
he did
very,
any.
very nice.
I don't think he did any paint work.
That's gorgeous. Very rust-free car. Let's drive it, huh?
Yeah, I'm excited for that.
Have you drove this one at all yet? You
No.
Man, look at the dash pad under the keys. I get this going.
Yeah, the dash is beautiful.
Heater works, that's for sure. Look at the paint.
Glove box is really nice. Even the clock works,
39,939 miles total.
Perfect. Clock works. We'll warm it up good before we get on it too hard.
Dome light works, gas gauge works. 39,936 miles. I knew that worked.
Oh yeah.
And I approved it.
Original AM radio works perfect. What's this, Steve? You know? Choke? Yeah, manual choke. It's got a temperature light, so that's why you went ahead and got the regular gauges. I would have too, with putting that high expensive 428 in there. You want to know how everything is.
Correct.
We're running 55 pounds oil pressure. Our bolt gauge is at 14 right now. Temp gauge is still cold. Tack works perfect, and this thing sounds beautiful.
It does. It's a cool car.
If you get one of these, you'll have one of the nicest ones around. I mean,
just the, like I said, 50,000 in receipts on a car that, you know, was already nice and original to start with.
Yeah, it's a good car.
We're just gonna warm her up a little bit.
That shifter, I mean, just all of this, you can tell, has all just been completely high-end restored, isn't it?
Yeah.
We have the choke still pulled out a little. I'm not, like I said, I've never drove this one before, so I'm not sure how long it takes to get warmed up or anything, you know?
Nice shift.
I was just gonna say that nice firm shift. Steering is perfect. Shifted right now into third.
That headliner's perfect too, and like you mentioned earlier, the paint on the column and wheel, and just all around, this dash paint, all the little chrome pieces are beautiful.
Brakes, mint, no pull left or right. Speedometer's nice and tight as well. So we do have it warmed up to just off of 140, and it's sitting here idling right now at 600 RPM just fine without the choke pull. Temps up now. Temps up to about 150, so.
Damn, puts you right back in the seat.
It does, man. Look at this. No wonder why the guy spent 50 grand. Up there again.
That drives
That's
awesome.
85. That's as fast as that damn LS Camaro almost.
Yeah, it is. And it's just so smooth. Shifts great, suspension feels good. Whoa, shit. This thing is awesome.
Oh my gosh. Good girl. No, seriously. Are you?
How about the brakes too at high speeds from 90 to 0 real quick?
Yeah, I would find it.
Good. I figure you would. This thing is, I'm impressed with it.
No, it is super, super nice. Steering radius right here. No tire rub, and it's got the nice wide tires on it like it would have come with. This thing hauls ass.
It does. That was awesome. It's just, if it didn't have the 428 badges on it, it's a sleeper.
That's one of the fastest old Fords I've been in a long, long time.
Oh, I would agree.
Kick the shit out of any of our Mustangs, I guarantee it.
Oh yeah, it'll kick the shit out about anything we have in the showroom right now. It's fast, and it's smooth fast too. It's not like a...
The guy knew where to spend the money the right way.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
The interior, the drivetrain,
it's not
suspension.
a Torino Cobra or nothing like that, but I guarantee it's faster and well built than that car.
Yeah.
Than any Torino Cobra out there.
Yep, I agree. That's what he's going for, was kind of make a replica of that a little bit.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.